Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 200 grams of plain flour, 2 large eggs, 300 milliliters of milk, and 75 grams of melted butter. Don't forget a good quality waffle iron, a couple of mixing bowls, and a whisk. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Preheat your waffle iron now, so it's ready to go. Now let's create that perfect waffle batter. In your large bowl, combine 200 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 300 milliliters of milk, and 75 grams of melted butter. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry, stirring just until combined. Remember, a slightly lumpy batter is fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles. This step is crucial for light and fluffy results. With your batter ready and waffle iron hot, it's time to cook. If your iron isn't nonstick, a light brush of oil or butter will prevent sticking. Pour approximately 100 milliliters of batter into the center of each waffle section. Close the lid and let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown and crisp. The exact time depends on your waffle iron. Gently lift them out with a spatula, being careful not to scratch the surface. Your delicious homemade waffles are now ready to be enjoyed. For the ultimate experience, serve them straight from the iron. Classic toppings include a generous drizzle of maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. Don't be afraid to get creative. Savory options like fried chicken or bacon and eggs are also fantastic. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container for up to 2 days or freeze them for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.